In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix missing bookmarks in Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, launch your Google Chrome on your PC, then click on three dots given at the top right. Now navigate to the option settings. Now in the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Head over to the option appearance. In the appearance section, you will find various options related to how Chrome looks and behaves. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Show Bookmarks bar. If this setting is turned off, simply click the toggle switch to enable it. As soon as you turn it on, the bookmarks bar should immediately reappear below the address bar, giving you quick access to all the saved bookmarks and favorite websites. If the bookmarks bar still does not appear, make sure you are not in full screen mode, as Chrome may hide certain interface elements while in full screen view. You can also try restarting Chrome to ensure the setting is applied correctly, and that's it. That's how you can quickly restore the bookmarks bar in Google Chrome. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.